Saksakalyan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Please also explain the regulations for offering respects to the forefathers, the creation of the Pitṛloka, the time schedule in the planets, stars and luminaries, and their respective situations. The time durations of day and night, as well as months and years, are different in the different planets, stars and luminaries. The higher planets like the Moon and Venus have time measurements different from those of the Earth. It is said that 6 months of this planet Earth equal 1 day of the higher planets. In Bhagavad Gita, the duration of 1 day in years multiplied by 1,000, and the month and year in Pitṛloka are calculated in that measure.